Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Citroen C4 Picasso on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see we have reversing sensors. 7 seats which are all in place at the moment. Of course, you can fold all of these rear seats down should you wish to increase your boot space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the steering wheel controls first of all. We have cruise control and speed limiter, as you can see. We have park assist down here, so you can hit this button. This car is able to park itself. Essentially, you can decide what sort of space you want to park in, and the car will take control of the steering from there. We have phone controls as well, and you can see on here the gears for the automatic gearbox. Over into the center next, our main screen is where you will find your digital readout for the speedometer, your fuel gauge, your main trip computer. You'll also see that the total miles for the car are visible there. They are 75,650. You can make adjustments to your climate control, and they will show in the bottom left of that screen, next to where you'll find your rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. You do have a separate screen for the climate control just here. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can adjust the fan speed up and down, as you heard me do a moment ago. The direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on, so you can turn that off, back on again, or turn the whole system into auto, and you'll hear the car now takes control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. All of your other options for the main screen are available down here as well. So we have, as you can see, satellite navigation. We have our audio options. So up in the top here, our radio, jukebox, USB input, iPod input, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and auxiliary input as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. We have our phone, so you can pair that up in order that you can A, make and receive phone calls, and B, stream your music wirelessly via the Bluetooth audio should you wish to do that. This car also has a full color parking sensor, which is on, or parking camera I should say, to go with the parking sensors, that's on the main display just there. Below both of the displays we have a handbrake for the car, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. You can turn the traction control off as well. Inside here we have all the various different inputs for your audio options. And then lastly, we have the panoramic roof. There's a dial up here which will open that up, and obviously that lets in a huge amount of light, as you can see. You've also, if I rotate the camera around, got a huge amount of windscreen real estate as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.